Right.
Yeah, so there's a logo that you're looking at, and you know that it says FedEx,
Right.
but then there's also symbolism hidden in that.
Right. Objects. And what this does is it doesn't really solve all the problems with the algorithms. What it does is
Height. Because dealing with stuff like impulsivity, disinhibition, grandiosity, and pathological compulsion.
This is bipolar 1 manic episode. Bipolar 2 hypomania is a milder version of bipolar 1 manic episode where you
the moment.
So I just, when we came here, we had already been.
All might be affecting the frequency increase of
Down, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective.
self-explanatory.
Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
Trajectory that occurs.
We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
Persuasion.